Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So ICP, we can see clearly now that we can count 5 wave. Now the question is, this level here, is it the 5th wave or it's just an extension of this 5th wave? So just to be sure, so this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, but then this wouldn't be the end of the 5th wave, but just the beginning of the 5th wave, which is going to be part of 5-way up, which will enable ICP to reach much higher levels. Do I believe that? Honestly, who cares? It's not about beliefs, it's about decoding the chart and try to see what are the pivotal levels, right? So for sure here we had a very strong support. The MA, I believe it's 50. Let me go and check just to be sure. $12. Actually, it's been a while. You can see that I haven't been... Yeah, MA 50. All right. So MA 50 acting as a support big time. Now, if this is indeed the 4th wave, this is the 1 and this is the 2. The 2, now I can adjust it a little bit, I would say. I didn't want to do that, but anyway, so let me put it here. And we can see that we had from this level. So we had a wave 1, wave 2, which is part of an A, B, C, so that's great. Also reached the fib retracement 0.786 and $9.60. And then, yeah, annoying friends, yes, I know. I went on vacation. This was a very nice entry. Thank you so much. And yeah, from there, yeah, that's the question now, because I was expecting for an impulsive 3rd wave, but we didn't got that. That's why the count that I'm focusing on is like, this is indeed the 5th wave, and this is the beginning of the correction. So you can see I did the A, B, and C for the A, and I believe this is the A. We did the B, and now we're making this C wave to complete the bigger wave B. Didn't want to do that. Okay, am I going to get, yeah, the B wave here, and after that we're going to have a bigger corrective movement. I know many people don't like that, but that's life. Everything goes up. Have eventually has to go down, chill off a little bit, and enable people that they don't FOMO to scale in more. All right, so this is how it goes. Now I do have some crazy charting here. So what was this one? I think was I took the length of the wave 1, I added to the wave B, and this was the wave C target. Usually it goes to 1-to-1 levels, but we did reach the 0.786 and $9.60, so that's very reliable. Now the yellow one, so I took for the bigger wave B, right? So I took the length of the wave A, which is an ABC wave. So I took also the wave B here, the low, and as you can see, we can see 3 waves, A, a B, and a C. So I took that, and the 1-to-1 ratio, it would bring us to 1476. And so these are targets it can reach easily. Now, can it go much higher? Yes, we know wave B can go much higher. And if I take the bigger wave A in red, and I do the Fibonacci retracement, and I make, you know, these are the levels that we should be reaching, right? So often it does reach the 0.786. That would bring us to 1482. But then, you know, the 1-to-1 ratio, we have $16.26. And it can go even up to the 1.618 at $20, and which will allow ICP to make a higher high, even though this is a B wave. And indeed, also the 1.236 1784 would bring us to do a higher high. So we need to be careful and you know, to not let us mislead that it's going to go much higher now, because it could be just a high B wave, and after that 5 wave down and bigger pullback. Ideally, honestly, I'm looking at this chart. I like this level here. What's the reason? Well, it was the low of the fourth wave of this first wave, and a lot of time the wave 2, the bigger wave 2, is going to go revisit the previous fourth wave. Also, we can see that yeah, eventually this, I don't know when it's going to do it, but if we continue like this, then this MA 200 is going to continue to go something like that. So it's going to join that level, and we can see that the 0.618 is also around this level. So I'm looking for accumulating more ICP if we ever get to the, yeah, I would say between 920, well, ideally 860 or 805. But once again, I will start to scale back, not scale back in because I already have, but accumulate more when you reach the 0.5 fib. Small quantities, and the more it goes lower, the more I will increment my positions. All right, so this is for the ICP. Now, this is 4 hours. Let's go on the daily and check it out. So you can see it's kind of, honestly, a little bit messy. The stock RSI, it's onshore. RSI is chilling off. That's a good news. And 1 hour, let's see here, 1 hour. Well, if you're a short-term investor, let me see here now. Well, stock RSI is being oversold for a while, though, so bounce should be coming maybe soon. We shall see. And do we have a trend here, like a short-term trend? I believe we do have. So if I take a trend like so, I would say, yeah, if we keep this trend, let me try to be a little bit more precise with this trend here. All right, so I would say if he ever gets to this level here, I would say maybe I'm going to get some, and that's going to be only for short-term investment, and then take some gains when the stock RSI is going to be overbought. And that's, once again, not financial advice. This is what I'm looking for a short term. All right, so this is pretty much all I would say for ICP. Also, let me add up this one here. So you see, this level, it did act as a support previously. So I'm not even sure. Maybe I should do a box here. And I would say this is the level where I'm yeah, maybe expecting ICP to go and revisit. Will it do it? I don't know. We shall see shortly. If it does, though, I think I'm going to scale back in a little bit more for short term, because I went in vacation. I kind of liquidated all my short investment. Not liquidated, but you know, I got out of the market. That's the way to do it. I did kept some, and some had a nice surprise. Some I was, damn, I shouldn't have lowered the leverage. I would have had like yeah, 5, 6, 7x. Some I'm a little bit negative, and that's part of the game as well. So, but now, you know, if we're able to time where would be a nice accumulation level, then we can increment those positions higher up the leverage, and then you just catch up with the time you lost, or you invest in yourself by disconnecting and resourcing your mind. So, by the way, I went to Mexico, Cancun. It was amazing. If you have any question about vacation in Cancun, maybe I can give you some cue. And then there you go for ICP. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.